Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I've been planning on doing some type of coils or suspension for Julie's car. Found a pretty good deal on eBay. These KWs over here, they had the V3 version for like $900 off. I was thinking about installing them myself, but I don't have some of the tools that I needed. So I tell them to try and get into the EV market right now, or in general, because they're kind of blowing up and people are doing all kinds of stuff with them, suspension, wheels, and all kinds of craziness. Figured the best thing was I can bring it in. He can kind of try and tap into that market a little bit and see what happens with the Tesla with the install for the coils.
Oh, I see.
What'd you pick already?
Nothing. So we literally just have this through bolt, which is no adjustment. Let's get this brake line out with this control arm.
Heavy?
Easy. Just like so. So when we take this apart, let's go ahead and grab a KW. Damn.
Tool set. It's
Jesus.
legit, huh?
Fuck yeah, dude.
Straight from Germany, man. These are nice. I love the colorway too. I wouldn't say that they're any lighter than OEM though, that's for sure. But you definitely get more performance out of it, hopefully. Yeah, I didn't open that one yet.
Box inside a box. Oh.
Oh.
So we have to assemble the rears. Interesting. Now, do you know if it's fucking ride height set or anything?
I'm assuming it's all the preload set and...
Oh, you can't even...
Look, technical documents.
I don't even know how to set the ride height here. Because that's spring rate. What's the spring rate? That adjusts spring rate.
Is it already all the way down?
It is. Looks like. But it's backwards.
Made it to the front right now. We didn't have the right socket for the top hat, so we had to do it a little bit different. So we're having to rotate it. I don't know how to explain it, but the front one's gonna go in right now. We're gonna test fit that, and then be able to move on to the left side here soon.
Okay. Let's go up really quick.
We had to figure out the rotation of the front right oil. The documentation wasn't very clear, but we found it. Now we gotta start checking the ride height, see how low it's actually gonna sit. But the good thing with these is these are actually designed for the Tesla, so the offset and the fitment, you know, it's gonna be pretty much flush with the fender. But we're gonna have to do an alignment later on after a couple days when it starts settling in.
Can't move it, can you?
Box drop.
I'm sure it'll settle another whole inch too.
So let's, parking brake is set on this, right?
I don't know.
Let's go up.
I think so. It's in park.
Are you off?
Yeah.
Oh, don't just,
It's not that bad.
not bad. And it'll settle too.
Wow.
Big difference from
Huge.
this side to the other side. Huge difference.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I know it'll fit. I just don't know that style of coil, how low they go. You got my sway bar stuck?
Yeah.
You do?
Huh?
Push wrong button?
No, because the car's lowered. And we put the sway bar in on that side already. It has put this one kind of in a no.
Using there's an end link stuck right now. In the left side. Took the whole sway bar off. And the coil, or not the coil, the stock suspension's not dropping. Just trying to figure out what's going on. Cat stuck?
Just gonna loosen this up, yeah. It's putting me in a bind pretty bad for some reason. No.
So you do have to take this whole fucking thing out.
Yep, I was right. Just like we did the other side. Whatever them guys are doing in the video, it's probably not an all-wheel drive system. And they're not fighting an axle.
Yeah.
That's why they can just undo the...
Just pop it out.
Just pop it out in the front.
You need help. Probably a workout with that thing.
Come on, guy.
Well, I'm glad I didn't try and do this stuff in the garage because there's the end link. I don't know if it's just years of wear on it. We've had this car for almost 3 years, but it wasn't seized, but it was tight in there. I don't know if I would have been able to get that out by myself. And the other side is doing the same thing. But we got this side in. Front right's done. Front left's about to be done.
These two for sure. These two for sure.
Well, look at all the clips on the inside. And then these out here. Let's not do that. Let's see what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I see.
Pretty good for a white car, huh?
But for the top where it goes into the car.
Dude, I don't know.
Like that. No?
Do you think so?
You be able to handle that?
Oh, yeah.
So that went down.
Yeah, it did.
What the fuck happened there?
All right.
Okay.
Well, what's up at the rear?
High, doesn't it?
Yeah, seems like it.
Couldn't be.
There's no adjustment in the spring.
There isn't a cup though.
Huh?
There isn't that cup.
Like that fucking much.
It's all clean, good to go.
Very good.
Tried to slam it. Did it drop?
A little bit. Yeah.
Put the wood back. I can slam it a couple of times.
Here, why don't you just drive forward and slam it?
This is all for you, not me. I don't make any money from this.
Nada.
That front's hardest. You ever been in one of them, Pops? Yeah. Fucking fast. Yeah.
Sorry if the video was all over the place. I haven't filmed in a long time, but I was just trying to do this for Danny. I don't really get anything out of it, but I wanted to help him kind of tap into this Tesla market. Hold on, let me get a better angle over here. It's golden hour right now. So these are the KW V3 leveling kit. I kind of messed up and I bought the, I don't know how they word that, like the standard version versus leveling kit version. So this is where it's kind of sitting right now. I don't know if you can really notice on camera, but the front is where we wanted it and the rear is very limited. We were able to drop it a tiny bit more, but you can see how much of the height difference there is from the front. This is how we wanted to get it set up. That's like probably not even a finger width. And here's, I would say, probably 2. It used to be like 4. So we did drop it down a little bit. It does look better to the average person, but that's not what we want. So we're gonna try and source 2 rears for the standard version kit or whatever that's called. See if you can do that. If not, modify this, or I'll sell this to whoever might want this kit for a discount, and then I'll just have to buy the standard version and put that on. But at the end of the day, I wanted the rear to look like the fronts, but it is what it is. But I did this for Danny, so if any of you guys are interested in doing any kind of modifications for Teslas or suspension, wheels, tire installs, anything like that, you can go hit him up. Metro Performance of SoCal. See the shop right there, or you can hit me up and I'll get you a deal. That's pretty much it. Hopefully I helped him out trying to tap into the EV market game here. I know Teslas are pretty big right now, especially with gas prices and all that. People are doing modifications all over the place. Done, and other than that, I guess I'll see you guys in another video, hopefully sometime soon.